Now, I want to discuss chlorine alternatives. Okay, historically, chlorine has been the default method of pool sanitation. At this point in time, however, there are plenty of other alternatives to choose from, but it's important to understand the differences before making your decision. Okay, so which one is best for you? Let's take a dip and find out. Let's start with traditional chlorination. Many people are still using liquid chlorine or tablets in the pool, and this is an effective method. Chlorine is a good oxidizer, it disinfects, it leaves a residual, which are all pretty appealing aspects. But the downside is the continued expense, the hassle with constantly having to purchase and use these chemicals, the byproducts of chlorine in the water, and also just the burden with having to store them. That brings us to using an electronic chlorine generator. With salt chlorination, you get the 100% effective water purification and the residual protection like traditional chlorination. But you don't have to regularly buy, store, and add chlorine. Plus, it eliminates the chlorination byproducts that cause the harsh water quality, so the pool provides a much nicer swimming experience without all the red eyes or itchy skin. Next up is ozone generators. Ozone infused into the pool water is 25 times faster acting than the most powerful form of chlorine. Okay, so it's great at killing microorganisms and really improves water quality. The downside is ozone does not provide residual protection. Okay, so you only get its benefits when the pool system is running. In other words, ozone is truly a great upgrade to the pool system, but it's just not suitable for a primary sanitizer. They're amazing to use as a supplement to an existing traditional chlorine pool or saltwater pool since they can do a majority of the pool sanitation. Plus, you'll be impressed with how good your water looks. UV systems shine high spectrum light through the water, so it's adding zero chemicals to the water. UV sterilizes microorganisms so they can't reproduce, but it is not an oxidizer, nor does it leave a continual residual protection. While this is another device that is not a candidate for your primary source of sanitation, UV systems are a great supplement upgrade that can provide a significant amount of water purification workload. Alright, next up is ionizers or mineral systems. A lot of different types and versions of these can be found out there. The job of these devices is to release metal ions into the water, typically copper ions. Okay, this has a very similar effect as the manual addition of liquid algicide, thus lowering that chlorine demand so they can really help inhibit the growth of algae, but not provide any of the oxidation that the pool requires. Last on the list are chlorine-free systems or AOP systems. These systems typically utilize the generation of hydroxyl radicals. AOP systems can be used on a combination of UV and ozone. While hydroxyls are even more effective than that of ozone, they do dissipate faster, which is why it is recommended that if you do operate these types of systems, it may be required to run your pump as much as 24 hours a day, okay, unless you're supplementing with chlorine or another residual sanitizer. But there's a gist of the different types of units available and the pros and cons of each. Guys, since it is 100% effective, simple, economical, and provides water quality benefits, it's really just no surprise that salt chlorination has become the standard in pool care. Even better, if you want the ultimate in pool care, supplement a salt pool system with an ozone and or a UV system in order to provide the broadest spectrum of protection and world-class purity. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to best utilize chlorine alternatives in your pool. If you have any questions, give Discount Salt Pool a call, and remember, we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.